Focus on form, not weight. Let the targeted muscle do the work, not momentum or other muscles. Fatigue the muscle to its maximum. Impressing others with heavy weights is not important. Your goal is to work the muscle effectively and efficiently. Avoid relying on momentum or using muscles you are not targeting. Concentrate on the muscle you want to fatigue. Remember, the key is to focus on form. Proper technique ensures maximum muscle engagement and prevents injury. Don't rush through your reps. Maintain control and perform each movement with intention and precision, quality over quantity. It's better to perform fewer reps with proper form than many reps with compromised technique. Listen to your body. If you feel pain or discomfort, adjust your form or reduce the weight to prevent injury. Engage your mind-muscle connection. Visualize the muscle working and focus on the contraction and extension with each rep. Consistency is key. Regularly practice proper form to build strength, improve muscle definition, and achieve your fitness goals.